To capture ConvertKit form data using Pabbly Connect, the first thing is click the Create Workflow button from your dashboard, and then type your preferred workflow name. Click Create. On the next page, since ConvertKit is rebranded as Kit, so we will search Kit for the app. And then for the trigger event, choose New Subscriber, click Connect, and then just follow the instructions on the screen and put the required information to connect your Kit account to Pabbly, and then click Save. Next is click the Add button, and then search your preferred app where your ConvertKit form data will be saved. For example, Google Sheet. And then for the action event, choose Add New Row, click Connect, and then choose Select Existing Connection or Add New Connection to connect your Google Sheets account to Pabbly, and then click Save. By doing this setup, your form data from ConvertKit will be added as a new row to your Google Sheets account. All right, now you know how to capture ConvertKit form data using Pabbly Connect, and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.